Is that your excavator? Are you gonna use that to get sand? And put it in your trucks? There you go. Good job. Can I help you? Get some in there. Lift it up. There you go. Do it again. Nice job. Is that the teeth on the bucket at the end of a large metal arm? Were you making holes in it? Okay, we're moving it to the dump truck. Good job. Put it in there. Good job. Fill up the dump truck. There's a lot of sand in there. Where are you going to take it? Back it up. Is it open? Okay, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna dump it out? Wow. The side. Oh no! The dump truck is so full, it's falling out the side. Can you get it back in there? Push it down. Push. Good job. Can you push it down? Let the chase begin. So he's gonna go around. Oh no, he's stuck. He has to go around again. Now he can come through, down the pike, down through there. The police are on the chase. Oh, he's gonna go again. Let the chase begin. Go around and around. Oh, bam! He's stuck. Oh no, the police put up a road closed sign, so he's stuck. And that gives the police the opportunity to block the way and get our robber.